The photography community is abuzz with anticipation for Nikon's upcoming APS-C mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z90. Positioned to bridge the gap between entry-level models and professional-grade cameras, the Z90 is expected to offer a compelling mix of performance, portability, and affordability. Design and build. While official images are yet to surface, it's anticipated that the Z90 will feature a robust yet lightweight body, catering to photographers who require durability without the bulk. The design is likely to incorporate ergonomic considerations, ensuring comfortable handling during extended shooting sessions. Sensor and image quality. Rumors suggest the Z90 will house a 33-megapixel DX format sensor, promising high-resolution images with excellent detail. This sensor is expected to outperform many current APS-C competitors, making it ideal for genres like wildlife, sports, and landscape photography. Autofocus and performance. The Z90 is speculated to inherit advanced autofocus capabilities from Nikon's flagship models, potentially featuring AI-driven subject recognition. This would enable precise tracking of subjects, whether they're athletes in motion or wildlife in their natural habitats. In terms of shooting speed, the camera might offer a burst rate of up to 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, and potentially higher rates with an electronic shutter. Such performance would be beneficial for capturing fast-paced action sequences. Video capabilities. Videographers can look forward to 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, possibly with oversampling for enhanced clarity. Additionally, the Z90 might support full HD recording at 120 or 180 frames per second, allowing for creative slow-motion footage. In-body stabilization. A significant feature anticipated in the Z90 is the inclusion of 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This technology would provide up to 6 stops of stabilization, facilitating handheld shooting in various conditions and reducing the reliance on tripods or gimbals. Display and interface. The camera is expected to feature a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, offering flexibility in composing shots from different angles. While a fully articulating screen would benefit vloggers, the tilting design aligns with the preferences of many photographers focused on still imagery. Storage and connectivity. Dual card slots are likely, with one supporting CF Express Type B cards for high-speed data transfer and the other accommodating standard SD cards. This setup would cater to professionals who require redundancy and flexibility in their storage options. Market positioning. The Nikon Z90 is poised to fill the niche between the Z50 and the Z9, offering advanced features in a more compact and affordable package. It's targeted at enthusiasts and semi-professionals seeking high performance without the investment required for full-frame systems. Release timeline. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, industry insiders suggest that field testing is underway. A release in 2025 appears plausible, aligning with Nikon's strategy to expand its mirrorless lineup. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the APS-C mirrorless market. With its anticipated high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and in-body stabilization, it promises to meet the demands of both photographers and videographers. As we await official confirmation, the Z90 remains a camera to watch for those seeking a blend of performance and portability.